Interest rates, APR, banking during college can seem a little overwhelming. So I've come to the Credit Union for Berkeley Students, or CUBS, to learn about some of their banking options, their history, and to give you a few tips on smart money management. The Credit Union for Berkeley Students is an on-campus credit union ready to advise, help with financial questions, and set up accounts to meet the needs of their college clientele. But what exactly is a credit union?
Credit unions are not for profit, so any profit that they do make, it goes straight back to the members in terms of competitive interest rates and lower fees. So that in essence means that credit unions are owned by their members.
CUBS began at Berkeley in the 1980s and is the only on-campus financial institution. It's run by an advisory board of Berkeley students with the oversight of the larger Cooperative Center Federal Credit Union, which began in 1942.
The Credit Union for Berkeley Students was originally started by Berkeley students, and then at some point there was an economic collapse, and then I think they went under, it might have been in the 80s, and what happened was another credit union bought it, and through a series of mergers, our current parent company, Cooperative Center Federal Credit Union, ended up owning CUBS.
The CUBS office is located in Lower Sproul and has a variety of banking options which cater to students, including savings accounts, checking accounts, credit cards, and student loans.
We pretty much offer everything that a commercial bank does. For certain products, our rates are better just because we don't have to make as much of a profit.
So we offer things like short-term CDs, and we have high-interest checking accounts and student visas and student loans. So everything that a student would need to get through college, basically.
And while CUBS currently only has 2 ATMs on campus, they expect to have 10 by the end of the semester, an improvement that members say is because of the students in charge.
The good thing about being a student-run organization is that since we are students and we're working with students, we're better able to understand their needs and try to specialize our products so that students get the most benefit out of it.
Members argue that as students, they understand the needs of students and left us with some advice on college finance.
Important things you can do as a college student is set up a savings account and put money in that savings account regularly. It can just be $10 a month or something of that sort, but it eventually slowly builds up. Another thing you can do is sign up for online banking at whatever financial institution you use and log on a couple times a month, check up on your accounts, make sure you haven't been charged any unnecessary fees.
Get a credit card early, get it like your freshman year. You can build credit that way. Like you may not think it does a lot, but really over time you can build it up so then when you need to get a loan for like a house or a car or something like that, it'll help immensely.
For more information about CUBS, you can visit their website at cubsonline.org or stop by their office during the week. Money's tight during college, but don't be afraid to go to your financial institutions on campus for help during these rocky times. For Cal TV, I'm Jake Lefferman. We'll see you next time.